Hello everybody. Good training always shows up good revenues. Means whatever skill you are training it will finally end up giving you monetary rewards. You will feel more confident because you are working in a right way. I can tell you, right thinking is medicinal. It cures your present state. Whatever fears you have in your mind, they phase out as you work on your desired skill. It allows you to act vigorously and energetically, and you all will be amazed at the new level of energy and vigor that you will enjoy into your being. So, with this, I will start today's work. The first word for today is mundane. Mundane. Mundane means worldly as opposed to spiritual. Example, he was concerned only with mundane matters, especially the daily stock market quotations. Church authorities were concerned about the mundane attitude of the people. Next word is munificent. Munificent. Munificent means very generous. Example, the munificent gift was presented to the bride by her rich uncle. Next word is murkiness. Murkiness. Murkiness means gloom, darkness. Example, the murkiness and fog of the waterfront that evening depressed me. Sometimes murkiness of weather makes you sad. Next word is muse. Muse. Muse means ponder. Thinking about something very deeply is called muse. Example, for a moment he mused about the beauty of the scene, but his thought soon changed as he recalled his own personal problems. If you want to solve your problems, you must muse over them. Next word is musky. Musky. Musky means having the odor of musk. Musk is actually grass-like thing. Example, she felt a trace of musky perfume behind her. Actually, when water is poured over musk, it gives a smell which is called musky smell. Next word is muster. Muster. Muster means gather, assemble. Example, Washington mustered his forces at Trenton. You all muster all your knowledge to succeed in this exam. Next word is musty. Musty. Musty means spoiled by age, stale. When somebody gets old, he becomes musty. Example, the Uncle Benny had reached a musty state. He no more can walk briskly. Another example in reference to inanimate object. Example, the attic was dark and musty. Ancient buildings have musty state because nobody pays attention to keep them in good condition. Next word is mutable. Mutable. Mutable means changing in form, fickle, something that is short lived. Example, His opinions were mutable and easily influenced by anyone who had any powers of persuasion. Next word is muted. M-U-T-E-D. Muted means silent, muffled. Example, in the funeral parlor, the mourners' voices had a muted quality. Next word is mutilate. M-U-T-I-L-A-T-E. Mutilate means mime, injure. Example, the torturer threatened to mutilate his victim. Mutilation happens inside torture rooms. Next word is mutinous. M-U-T-I-N-O-U-S. Mutinous means rebellious, unruly. Mutiny means rebellion, and the person who are involved or the people who are involved are called mutinous people. Example, the captain had to use force to quiet his mutinous crew. Next word is mutter. M-U-T-T-E-R. Mutter means murmur or grumble. Example, the child muttered at the doll. In what happens in childhood, most kids mutter words that have no meaning at all. Next word is myopic. M-Y-O-P-I-C. Myopic means near-sighted. Example, in thinking only of your present needs and ignoring the future, you are being rather myopic. The current state of affairs in the country are result of myopic view of our politicians. Next word is myriad. M-Y-R-I-A-D. Myriad means a very large number. Example, myriads of mosquitoes from the swamps invaded our village every twilight. Next word is nadir. N-A-D-I-R. Nadir means lowest point. It is just an antonym for acme, which is highest point. Example, although few people realized it, the Dow Jones averages had reached their nadir and would soon begin an upward surge. In past few months, Sensex has reached nadir of its performance. We all are hoping it to gain an upward surge. Next word is naivety. N-A-I-V-E-T-E. Naivety means quality of being unsophisticated. Now, sophisticated people are those who are rigid in their attitude. They lack flexibility. They lead their life by certain rules and accept no violation. Okay, naivety is quality of being unsophisticated. The people who are new beginners in a certain field are also considered as naivety because they don't have any attitude, ego, etc. Example, I cannot believe that such naivety is unassumed in a person of her age and experience. Next word is narcissist. Narcissist. Narcissist is conceited person. Narcissist is someone who admires his own self to a degree of obsession. Example, a narcissist is his own best friend. Some girls are also narcissists because they spend lot of time in front of mirror and feel that they are the most beautiful girl in this world. Okay, and rest of the time when they are not in front of the mirror, they feel conceited of their beauty. Next word is narrative. Narrative. Narrative means related to telling a story. Example, a born teller of tales, Olsen used her impressive narrative skills to advantage in her story. I stand here ironing. In olden days, when media was not so developed, there were pupils who used narratives to tell stories of old times. It is a kind of entertainment during those early days. Next word is nascent. Nascent. Nascent means incipient, coming into being. Example, it would if we could identify these revolutionary movements in their nascent state, we would be able to eliminate serious trouble in later years. You might have heard the term nascent oxygen in your chemistry literature. When some new gas is formed, it is called nascent. Example, next word is natation. Natation. Natation means swimming. Example, the Red Cross emphasizes the need for courses in natation. Next word is natty. Natty. Natty means neatly or smartly dressed. Example, priding himself on being a natty dresser, the gangster Bugsy Siegel collected a wardrobe of imported suits and ties. It is desirable to dress in a natty way for your job interview. Next word is nauseate. Nauseate. Nauseate means fill with disgust, cause to become sick. Nausea is a state when person feels to vomit. Example, the foul smells begin to nauseate him. Next word is nautical. Nautical. Nautical means pertaining to ships or navigation. Example, the Maritime Museum contains many models of clipper ships, logbooks, anchors, and many other items of a nautical nature. Next word is nebulous. Nebulous. Nebulous means vague, hazy, an atmosphere which does not allow clear vision is called nebulous. Example, she had only a nebulous memory of her grandmother's face. Nebulous surroundings made it difficult to figure out where she is. Next word is necromancy. Necromancy. Necromancy means black magic. Dealings with the dead is called necromancy. Example, because he was able to perform feats of necromancy, the natives thought he was in league with the devil. Next word is nefarious. Nefarious. Nefarious means very wicked. Example, he was universally feared because of his many nefarious deeds. Antisocial people are known for their nefarious deeds. Next word is negation. Negation. Negation means denial. Example, I must accept his argument since you have been unable to present any negation of his evidence. Next word is negligence. Negligence. Negligence means carelessness. Example, negligence can prove costly near complicated machinery. Because if you keep yourself careless near complicated machinery, you may lose your limbs or undergo some mishap. Next word is negligible. Negligible means so small and trifling or unimportant as to be easily disregarded. Because the damage to his car had been negligible, Michael decided he would it, he wouldn't bother to report the matter to his insurance company. Next word is nemesis. Nemesis. Nemesis means revenging agent. A person who is sent to take revenge is called nemesis. Example, Captain Blee vowed to be Christian's nemesis. In certain movies, heroes perform as a nemesis for a noble cause. Next word is neologism. Neologism. Neologism means newly or newly coined word or phrase is called neologism. Actually, neo means new and logy means study. Neologism is also considered as a study of word parts. Next word is example for this neologism is, as we invent new techniques and professions, we must also invent neologisms such as microcomputer and astronaut to describe them. Actually, neologism is concerned with the development of terminology for new field of study. Next word is neophyte. Neophyte. Neophyte means recent convert, beginner. Example, this mountain slope contains slides that will challenge experts as well as neophytes. Next word is nepotism. Nepotism. Nepotism means favoritism to a relative. Example, John felt his position with the company would lead to behave in a nepotism way, so he resigned from the position. The Attorney General was tried for having committed nepotism, holding the position in the court. Next word is neither. Nether. Neither means lower. Nether means neither or lower. Example, tradition locates hell in the neither regions. Next word is nettle. Nettle. Nettle means annoy, vex, cause mental discomfort or anxiety is called nettle. Example, do not let him nettle you with his sarcastic remarks. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.